square carpet. So rest of the area we got which is not carpeted. Are you getting? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Chalo, question number 9.
Five square flower beds, each of side 1 meter, are dug on a piece of land 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. What is the area of the remaining part of the land?
5 square flower beds, each of side 1 meter, are dug on the piece of land 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. What is the area of the remaining part of the land? Are you getting their questions? What they mean?
Yes.
What? What does they mean in this question? 5 square beds, each of sides 1 meter, are dug on a piece of land 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. What is the area of the remaining part of the land?
Sir, in this question, they are saying that five square flower bed.
Hmm.
They have each
One square
side
flower
one
each side
meter.
of 1 meter. Very good. So square flower beds are there. Are you getting? So if you calculate one square flower bed of 1 meter each, so all four sides will be 1 meter,
Yes.
1 meter, then 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter, like this. Are you getting? Are you getting or not? So there will be 1 square meter,
Yes.
the area of the square flower bed for 1. Then if we want to find for 5, so it will be multiplied by 5. So it will be 5, 5 square meter. 5 ones are 5, 5 square meter. Now, what is the total length of the floor? The rectangle. See, I'll just show you over here. This is a rectangle. Again, wait. Can we see this is a rectangle?
Yes.
Rectangle measurement is
Yes.
given 4 meter and 5 meter. Okay. In this,
Mm.
there are five flower beds, square flower beds like this, of 1 meter each. Is that clear, boys? समझ पड़े छे के नहीं
Yes.
पड़ती?
Yes.
Sir, પડે
Are
છે.
you getting? Now each of one side is what? 1 meter. So આનો area શું આવશે? 1 meter, 1 meter. 1 square meter will be the area.
Yes.
Now there are five square like this. All fives are equal. So multiply by 5. So total area of a flower bed is 5 square meter. 5 ones are 5.
Yes.
Are you getting? Now total length is of how much? 5 meter and 4 meter. So what will be the area of rectangle? 20 square meter. Total area of rectangle is 20 square meter, right? Total flower bed, square flower bed is 5 square meter. So what is the remaining area which is left? So 20 minus 5, 15 square meter will be remaining. Is that clear? Have you understood this question?
Yes.
Chalo, answer call.
Sir, but
Side of a square bed is 1 meter. So area of square bed will be what? Side into side, that is 1 meter into 1 meter, 1 square meter. Now we have 5 square beds like that. Therefore, area of 5 square bed will be 1 into 5, 5 meter square. Yes or no? Now
yes.
length of the land is 5 meter and breadth is what? 4 meter. So area of land will be length into breadth 5 meter into 4 meter, 20 meter square. Area of remaining part will be what? Area of land. This is total land, 20 meter square, minus area of 5 flower beds. 5 flower beds is what? 5 meter square. So 20 meter square minus 5 meter square, we got 15 meter square or 15 square meter. Anybody has any doubt with this question?
Sir, what is mean by flower beds?
આપણે આપણે અરાઉન્ડ માં ફ્લાવર ના પોટિંગ કરીએ તો ધ્યાન હોય તો ધ્યાન પડે છે ફ્લાવર બેડ ઇઝ અરાઉન્ડ લેન્ડ ની અરાઉન્ડ આપણે પ્લોટિંગ કરીએ ફ્લાવર બેડ નું લાઈક ધીસ આ પાર લેન્ડ છે લેન્ડ ની અંદર આપણે પ્લોટિંગ કર્યું છે 5 પાર્ટ્સ માં ફ્લાવરિંગ. That is what known as flower beds. Are you getting?
Yes.
Chalo, question number 10. Chalo. Who will read this?
By splitting the following figure into rectangles, find their areas. The measures are given in centimeters.
So the measures are given in centimeter. 1, 3, 2, 2 બધું લખેલું જ નહીં, centimeters છે. By splitting the following figures into rectangles, find their areas. We have to split the things into rectangle. Is that clear? And we have to find the area of a rectangles. Chalo. Can you recognize this figure? 1
Yes.
meter, 3 meter, 2 meter, again 2 meter, 4 meter, centimeter, 3 centimeter, 3, 4, and this one will be the same as calculations we have to do. Is that clear, boys?
Yes.
Okay, come to the answer column. Now, can we make this as a rectangle first? This part like this. This one rectangle. This one is the another one. Or we can say this one can be continue also. I can say like this. This is also one rectangle. If we do not want to calculate directly, have they taken? No. This one is the another one. See like this. Here. I took directly from here to here. How many rectangles we found? 1, 2, 3, and 4. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, chalo. Now what we have to do? We have to calculate according to the terms. They have given the name. We should give the name A, B, C, D, E, F, G according to our whatever we want to give. એવું જરૂરી નથી કે આ જ આપવાનું. Are you getting? So they took A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Have you got the content? What we
Yes.
got? A, B, C, D will be the first triangle, first rectangle. Then at point E, F, G,
G, D.
D. Yes, that will be the second one. Then J, I, H, G will be the third one.
Then M, L, K, and H.
M, L, K, and H will be the third one. Yes, very good, beta. Fourth one, I'm so sorry. Fourth one. Got it? समझ पड़ी गई कि नहीं?
Yes.
Now area of H, K, L, M. H, K, L, M. So H is what? 3. HK is 3. And one more LM is 3. So area of HKLM will be what? 3 into 3, 9 centimeters square.
Yes.
Then area of IJGH. IJGH. See, let me tell you one thing. This is to make you understand what are the rectangles and how we are finding the areas of the rectangles. There is no need to be worried for this कि आटला tough diagram केम खबर पड़े. So this is only for your understanding, not your exam oriented. It's nothing like that this will be compulsory asked in the exam. This is to understand how to find the area of this rectangle, how to find the area of this one, how to find the area of this one, how to find the area of this rectangle. Is that clear? But only we should know that area of rectangle is what? Length into breadth. Are you getting? So whatever the digits will be there, that will be multiplied by both of them. 1 into 2, 2 centimeters square. Then FEDG, FEDG, this one. They are talking about this rectangle. 3 into 3, again. 3 into 3, 9 centimeters square. Area of ABCD. Why 3 into 3? Why they are taking 3 into 3? Because can you see here, this is a square here. All 4 sides equal. This is also a square here. All 4 sides equal. This one is rectangle here. See, this one is rectangle. So in these two cases, they will be multiplying length and breadth. In the other two squares, they will be multiplying side into side. Can you see here? समझ पड़ा जाए बच्चा पार्टी? That's area of ABCD. ABCD is this. That is rectangle. So rectangle will be length into breadth. So 2 centimeter will be length and breadth is 4 centimeters. So 2 into 4, 8 centimeters square. Total area of the figure. What are the total area we get? 9 centimeters square plus 2 centimeters square plus 9 centimeters square plus 8. Total area will be 28 square centimeter. Is that all clear? How we have to go through? समझायो क्या नहीं? Second figure is very easy. The first one was a bit of complicated because there are 2 squares involved in this. 1 square and 2 square, and there were 2 rectangle involved. Yes or no? In this, we can say all the things will be equally divided in rectangles only. See, this shape. I'm talking about the second figure. See this figure, this has been joined from here and this one is from here. So all 3 are rectangles now. A, B, C, D, B, D, E, F, F, G, H, I. There are 3 rectangles in the given figure. See. So first ABCD. ABCD is 3 centimeter breadth and 1 centimeter length. So 3 into 1, 3 square centimeter. Then BDEF. BDEF is this one. BDEF. See. BDEF 3 centimeter and 1 centimeter. So 3 into 1 again 3 centimeter square. And now the last one, FGHI, this one. The area of FGHI 3 centimeter and 1 centimeter. Which one 3 centimeter? 3 centimeter is this thing. Why? Because over here also it is 3 centimeter. Can you see? So this line and this line will be equal only. 3 into 1, 3 into 1, 3 square centimeters. So total area of figures will be 3 plus 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 plus 3 will be 9 square centimeter. Is that all clear?
Yes.
Any doubt, boys?
No, sir.
Question number 11. Please read this.
Split the following shape into rectangle and find the areas. The measures are given in centimeter.
Same as question number 10. Not a single thing new in this. Same as question number 10. Can you see here the figures are given? Now can we plot the rectangles in this? I'm sorry. Now we can plot here this way also, and we can plot here this way also. It's up to us. Whatever things you want to go, you can go. If you want to plot here as our line, this will be one rectangle, the another one will be one rectangle. Got it? If you want to plot the whole thing together, then also it is correct. समझाई छे के નથી સમજાતું? Are you getting the content?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Then again, two rectangles are formed. One is D, E, F, G and A, B, C,
Sir,
D.
your screen is showing that.
Is my screen presented, boys?
Yes. Yes.
તો કેમ ઓલો દીકરો એમ કહી છે?
ખબર નહીં.
ચલો. Area of rectangle ABCD. ABCD means this one. 2. The distance will be 2, which is given here. This distance 2 centimeter multiplied by 10 centimeter as a breadth. BTC line 10 centimeter. Why? Because from A to E is given 12 centimeters. So 12 centimeter we don't have to take into grant at the present moment. Are you getting? Because our criteria is up to DC. So DC length is 2 centimeter and breadth is what? From B to C 10 centimeters. So 2 into 10 will be 20 square centimeter. So area of DEFG, that means this one, DEFG, this part. So 10 centimeter will be the length and what will be the breadth? 2 centimeters. Say it is given 2 centimeter. Yes. So 10 into 2 is again 20. So total area of the figure is 20 plus 20, 40 centimeters square for the first figure. Is that clear, boys? Any
Sir,
doubt in
it's
this?
too much breaking.
What about other children? Are you all getting my voice properly?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. You check out your internet, please.
Yes, sir.
Chalo, second diagram. Have you all understood this diagram? Plus sign is there. This length is 7 centimeter. This one is 7. All the things are of 7 centimeter. Can you see here?
Sir, we can make this square also.
Yes. All the things are of 7 centimeter in this diagram.
Yes.
Chalo. Now what they did, they joined every internal columns. This to this one, this to this one, and this also to this particular thing. So all four sides has been joined. Now total are 5 square, each side of 7. Each side of 7, yes or no?
Yes.
So 1 square will be 7 into 7, 49 square centimeter. Total area will be what? The internal will be also of 7, 7 and 7. समझा कि नहीं समझा तू? Boys, what does they mean? But these side 7 nature, they joined only this square like this. This line to this line, this line to this line, and this particular thing. So Ajam 1, 2, 3 and a 4 square maliyat, or this one will be also 1 square. So we got 5 square total. In this figure, how many squares do we see? 5 square. Boys,
Yes.
so if we see here 5 square, can I take the area of a square formula side into side, and can I find 1 square area? 7 into 7, that is 49 square centimeter. Am I right or wrong? So this
Right.
was for one square. In the whole figure, there are how many squares in total? 5 square. Total 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 square here. So 49 into 5, you will get 245 centimeters square. Is it clear?
Yes.
સમજાય છે?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now can I join here like this? Now we got 2 rectangles. What is the area of rectangles? Again, 5 length, breadth, 1. So we are talking about ABCD. So 5 is length and 1 is breadth. So 5 ones are 5 square centimeter, first one. Now they are talking about EFG, H. So 4 centimeter and 1 centimeter breadth. 1 centimeter breadth, 4 centimeter. 4 into 1, 4 square centimeter. Now total area of this region is what? 5 plus 4. That is 9 centimeters square. How much it will be? 9 centimeters square. Anybody has any doubt with this sum?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Chalo, question number 12. Who will read this? Chalo. Question 12, please.
How many tiles?
Come on, boys.
How many tiles
Hello.
whose length and breadth are 12 centimeter and 5 centimeter represented?
Now listen, wait. How many tiles whose length and breadth is given? So tiles se rectangle e પાક્કું થઈ ગયું.
Yes.
સમજ પડે છે? Length is what? 12 centimeter. And breadth is what? 5 centimeter. That is what we got. That rectangle, tiles is rectangle. How many tiles whose length and breadth 12 and 5 centimeter respectively will be needed? એટલે હવે કેટલી tiles જોવે છે to fit a rectangular region? The region is also rectangular. What is the measurement given whose length and breadth are respectively? That means there are 2 different sums we have to follow. Now, this is the region, length and breadth, right? હવે આનો જે એરિયા મળે એમાં આ કેટલી ટાઇલ્સ ફિટ થશે? That is what we have to find. Is that all clear? સમજ પડે છે કે નથી પડતી?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Boys, are you getting these sums or not?
Getting
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
We have a rectangular tiles, that's for sure. We have a rectangular region whose measurement is given these 2 sums. We have to find the area of this both the sums. આનો જે એરિયા હોય આપણો region થયો. હવે આ regionમાં કેટલી rectangular tiles fit કરવાની છે? કેટલી tiles fit થશે? Tiles ક્યાં fit થાય? Floor માં જ. The floor નો region જોવે, area જોવે. That means what we have to do, we have to divide area of region divide by area of tiles. આપણે નંબર ઓફ ટાઇલ્સ ખબર પડી જાય કે 100 જોવે, 150 જોવે, 10 જોવે, 15 જોવે, 20 જોવે. Is that clear, boys? Very easy sum. Come to the answer column. Area of region, first sum number A. Length is given 100 and breadth is given 144. So length into breadth 14,400 square centimeter. Yes or no? This is the area of region. Now area of one tile is 5 centimeter and 12, 60 centimeter square. That is area of one tile. Now what we have to do, we have to find the number of tiles required. So how can we find number of tiles required? Area of region divided by area of one tile. So area of region is what? 14,400 square divided by 60. So total is 240 tiles required. Therefore, 240 tiles are required. Any doubt with this sum?
No.
Sure, Bacha Party?
No.
Yes.
Same way, area of region for sum number B, 70 and 36 centimeter. This 70 and 36 centimeter. So area of region length is 70 and breadth is 36. So multiply by, so we will get 2,520 centimeters square as area of region. Now area of one tile, we got it 5 and 12, 60 centimeter square. Number of tiles required is equal to area of region upon area of one tile. So 2520 upon 60, you got 42 tiles. So in the second region, we have to place 42 tiles in the given area. Anybody has any doubt with this sum?
No, sir.
With this last sum of this chapter, we completed our first chapter of FA4. Now, in our next lecture, we are going to start with chapter number
5.
Is that clear, boys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, first of all, let me stop presenting my screen, then we will talk ahead. Okay, boys. So tell me now, do you feel any questions is tougher one as compared to the content what we did, what I explained you in the class? Whatever topic I explained, that was been related to the chapter and everything is covered up till what we have done in this class. Is that clear, boys? Is that all clear, boys? I'm asking you all. Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Why nobody is replying? What about Ali Asgar Rajani, Muhammad Zaki Wakil, then Ghazi Abbas Bhojani?
Yes,
Nobody
sir.
is answering. Who is this Munna Bhojani? What's his name? Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping, beta? Munna Bhojani. What's your name?
Ghazi Abbas Bhojani.
Are you sleeping and studying?
No.
What about Ali Asgar Rajani? Have you understood the whole chapter what I explained you? What we have completed in the class?
Yes, sir.
Then who else? Let me check. Aman Dhanani. Aman.
Yes,
I
sir.
think so. New child in Google Meet, I think so.
Yes, sir.
પેલા નહોતો આવતો ને દીકરા તું?
નહીં.
શું કામ?
સર પેલા અવારમાં મારો મદ્રાસો ચાલુ હતો એટલે.
મદ્રાસો સ્કૂલ ચાલુ હોય ત્યારે હોય છે સવારમાં?
ત્યારે બપોરના કરાવી નાખતો હતો.
તો અત્યારે શું કામ સવારના કરાવ્યો બેટા?
ઈ મદ્રાસા વાળાએ કીધું સવારમાં જ આવજો હવે.
એવું મદ્રાસા વાળા કહે એટલે આપણે માની લઈએ પાછા એમ ને? મદ્રાસા વાળાને ન કહેવાય જેમ અમારી સ્કૂલ ચાલુ હોય એમ અમારે ઓનલાઈન ચાલુ જ છે. સ્કૂલ કઈ રજા નથી, વેકેશન નથી. હવેથી રેગ્યુલર રહેજો દીકરા.
હા સર.
Everything is going to be count. Your internal marks also is based on the online classes. Your present absent, your attentive in the class, all the things are included. સો એમ ના માનતા કે તમે બહુ ઇઝીલી ગયા વર્ષની જેમ પાસ થઈ જશો. There is no way of getting you with mass promotion. Compulsory the exams will be there. Out of 200 you have to score your personal scoring of 70 marks. If you will not get your 70 marks for each subject, you will be having the same class in future. So make sure of it. Those who are getting today as an online lecture from Mahdi School, all of you are getting this reminder content from Mohammed sir that all the children has to be compulsorily in during school hours. The timings are 8 to 10:15. Is that clear? 2.5 કલાક હોય છે. 2.5 કલાકમાં પછી આપણે જે કરવું હોય કરી શકાય. Is that clear, Aman Dhanani?
Yes, sir.
Aryan Sheikh, કોણ છે Aryan Sheikh?